Hi guys, welcome back to the Talwar Sisters. I'm Kirti and in today's video I'm going to show you what I eat in a day on keto and IF. I have been doing intermittent fasting for the last 8 months. It is a part of my lifestyle and keto I did for the first time back in November 2019 for about a month and I lost 8 kilos on that. And after that I just ate healthy and made it a lifestyle change. So I just eat healthy, include carbs in my diet as well, but I do want to get in shape and lose a little bit of more body fat before my birthday, so that's why I'm doing keto again for a month. So I'm not by any means advising you to go on keto, it's just what I eat, so I just want to share it with you. These videos really help and I love watching what I eat in a day videos of other people, so I thought of making one for you. Just to give you a little bit of background of what keto and IF is. Keto is basically a high fat diet, moderate protein and low carb, as many of us are aware already because it is a very famous diet. I'll also link a few articles in the description down below for you guys to check out. And IF is basically an eating method where you fast for 16 hours and eat within 8-hour window. This is the beginner level, but you can go up to 20 hours fasting and 4 hours eating as well. And some people do OMAD, which is 1 meal a day, which is very difficult for me. So I used to eat from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., which is 8-hour window, and fast for 16 hours. And for about a month or so I've shifted to a different meal pattern, which is just 2 meals in a day, because I realized that after eating the third meal I used to be like very full, and after the second meal I didn't even used to feel like eating. I fast for 18 hours and I eat in a 6-hour window, which is usually from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. and after 3 p.m. I don't eat anything. So Swati is here behind the camera.
Yeah guys, so today I'll be behind the camera. If you want to see my diet, what I eat in a day, please comment down below and let us know, because for now currently we are eating a different diet. Otherwise we mostly eat the same food.
Yes, so the first thing that I'm doing these days is I'm drinking ACV in lukewarm water. We have taken this 30-day ACV challenge. Not we, just me, because she doesn't like the taste of ACV.
I don't want to get into all this, I just don't.
So today is my day 17. So I'm gonna put up this video as well on YouTube, so stay tuned for that. So I'm gonna finish drinking this now, enough jibber jabber, and I'm gonna meet you after my workout. So we just got done with our 10-minute home workout. I was kind of low on energy, but still it was intense and we are full of sweat. So I'm gonna go take a shower now and see you at breakfast. So guys, I just took a shower and now it's time for my breakfast. So for my meal number 1, I'm having the famous bulletproof coffee. I just add hot water, coffee and 1 tablespoon of virgin coconut oil. It has MCT, so it helps promote weight loss as well. And my breakfast is almost the same every day on keto. This is 4 eggs omelette. I've added half a capsicum, half a tomato and some dhania. It is very important to get your fiber intake, especially when doing keto, otherwise you will be constipated all the time. And I have been there, and so that's why I know it's very important to get your vegetables in. Also, I have 10 almonds. So I watched this video on YouTube of Soha Ali Khan's What I Eat in a Day. She said she eats 1 almond for every 10 pound of weight she has. Do you agree with that, and do you eat almonds like that? I just have 5 to 10 almonds daily. I also have 1 tablespoon of chocolate peanut butter. This is Keto Fi's peanut butter, and this has only 1 gram net carbs per tablespoon, so it is really good. Like, I love peanut butter, so I thought of trying it out. It's nice. You can also try it out if you're doing keto. I use MyFitnessPal to track my calories and macros, especially when I'm doing keto. So I added all these items and the total amount of calories is 770, and net carbs in all this entire meal is just 9.1 gram. And that's about it, guys. I hope this information helps you. I'm gonna gorge on my food now because I'm really hungry, and I'm gonna see you when I'm having my second meal. been 3 hours since my last meal. I have started to feel hungry now, and now it's time for my meal number 2 and my final meal of the day. So in this meal I'm having my chaach, which is buttermilk. So I make sure to drink it in summers also, because you are having a lot of fat in your diet, so it's good that you drink this. It kind of cools down your system. Also, people who think you can't have curd, I just add 2 tablespoons of curd into making this. It has around 1.3 gram carbs, so definitely you can have curd in limited quantities in your diet. Also, the next thing, which is my favorite, is this eggplant katlis. I make this in my own way, keto style. So got inspired by my mom. Actually, she makes really amazing katlis, but I make it in just a very simple way. Just add a little bit of salt and chili powder on top of the eggplant and fry it in olive oil, so you get the fat as well. And then on top of it you can just spread whatever cheese you have, and it's absolutely delicious, guys. You have to try it. You can have it as a snack, or you can include it in your meals, whatever you like. Next thing is palak paneer, which my mom made, so I'm having it with ghee on top of it. So make sure you get your vegetables in, as I said before. So it has lots of spinach, which is good for you. Last thing I have is a small cucumber. It has negligible carbs, so you can add cucumber as well in your diet. And I love having cucumbers, especially in summers, so it's a must for me. That is all about my big fat meal number 2. It's a lot, and I will take a lot of time to eat this. So this meal has about 430 calories, so that completes my calorie goal for the day, which is 1200, and I have stayed below 25 gram net carbs. So it is totally, yeah, you can do vegetarian keto as well. If you want me to make a separate video on ketogenic diet, do let me know. I have a lot of information to share. Like this video so I know you liked this and I can make more such videos. Comment down below about anything you want to ask me or anything you want us to make in the future. That was it, guys. I'm not gonna have anything after this meal. Usually sometimes I drink green tea, sometimes I don't, and I fast for 20 hours, and I'm gonna eat tomorrow at around the same time. That was all about this video. I hope you guys liked what I eat in a day. If you did, make sure to give it a like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will see you with another video on Friday. Till then, take care and stay healthy. Bye.
Cut.
Hi.
Now she's gonna hog.
Mm.